Hello, guys, ladies and gentlemen, and girls and guys. Welcome back to Robothoughts, the most excellent series Zero to Hero, and we are on lesson number 72 Python coding on Jetson Nano. Guys, I am going to show you how to access a set. The previous lessons I showed you how to loop into the set. Now I am going to show you how to access it, right? So basically, guys, once you create a set, you just cannot change its items inside, okay, but you can add a new item. How do you do that? Let me show you with an example. Let's get into some coding on Jetson Nano using the most excellent Linux terminal. I hope you are able to see my screen. Yes, there you go. All right, let me open the existing file, nano set.py. okay, so this is the previous code. I am going to delete this code. Let me create a new example. This set equals to what bracket? Curly bracket. Yes, you need to use a curly bracket and then put in some value with a double quote, say dog, comma, and then use cat, comma, cow. Okay, now let me close the bracket with a curly bracket. Let's say this set dot add. All right, remember this dot add. Now you want to add something into your set. How do you add? Comma, let's say dog, cat, cow. Let's add monkey, a monkey. Okay, now let me close the bracket. Now print this set. That's all. It's as easy as that, guys. You can just access it, and then you can use a simple method called add. It's a function or a method. You can call it as a method, but you got to use the round bracket. That's very important. All right, now let me save it. Control O, enter, Control X. Let me access the Python file, python3 set.py. There you go. Can you see that? The original list in the set, and then you are able to add another one inside. All right, guys, I think that's it for this lesson. I can give you a couple of more examples, but I think it's pretty straightforward. You can create your own and try to play around. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to drop in the comment, guys. I will respond to you. I will surely respond to you, or my email ID or my GitHub. You can reach me whichever the channel you want. See you soon. Bye bye.